Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Ethereum whale with $800 million in assets accumulated over 1.6 trillion SHIB. Indian Prime Minister Modi's hacked Twitter account attempts BTC scam. Bug found Gelatos contract might have led to significant losses. As per 12th December 2021, with around 100% surge 2030, Floki tops the meme coin list. So let's start up with refresh feed. Firstly, Shiba Inu has been collecting in the wallet of an Ethereum whale with over $800 million in multiple cryptocurrencies, to the point where it currently owns over 167 trillion tokens of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Anyways, let's have a proper discussion over it with our next headline being: according to Business Insider, the Ethereum whale has acquired about $1.8 million worth of the cryptocurrency in the previous few days, bringing its total holdings to 50 billion tokens. Whale Stats, which tracks activities from the Ethereum network's top 1,000 wallets, was the first to notice the transaction. Jiraiya, the wallet, has also made additional substantial bets on SHIB over the Binance Smart Chain, most notably purchasing over 100 billion tokens for $3.5 million. According to Etherscan statistics, the whale has over 200 distinct assets in its wallet. The Bitpanda ecosystem token, not Shiba Inu, is the whale's greatest position with almost $350 million worth of the cryptocurrency. Ethereum is the whale's second largest position at roughly $180 million. The Pantos token, Pantos's native token, follows. Pantos is an open source research project created by the Bitpanda Exchange's crew. Establish an open standard for true decentralized blockchain token transfers and blockchain interoperability, the project says. Another well-known whale, Gimli, has been acquiring SHIB, as Crypto Globe revealed. Gimli added SHIB to its wallet in transactions worth millions of dollars, bringing the total value of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency to close to $100 million. Whale trades, according to data, have aided the price surge of Shiba Inu this year. SHIB transactions above $100,000 have often increased ahead of cryptocurrency price increases, according to cryptocurrency analytics firm Santiment. Whales, in particular, may be stockpiling even more Bitcoin ahead of these price increases. As soon as Modi's Twitter account, which has over 73.4 million followers, was hacked, the attackers spread false information about Bitcoin's mainstream adoption and offered a $5,000 Bitcoin price. So moving forward, the official Twitter account of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was hacked earlier today, and the account was then used to spread false information regarding Bitcoin mainstream adoption and the transfer of 500 BTC among Indian residents. Looks like a crypto lover is not happy with governmental approach. Let's have a look at what exactly happened. In a virtual event sponsored by US President Joe Biden on December 10, Modi argued that technology like cryptocurrency should be utilized to support democracy rather than harm it. Democracies can satisfy the ambitions of our citizenry and celebrate the democratic spirit of mankind by working together. While the long-awaited Lok Sabha winter session, a parliamentary gathering intended to discuss the legality of cryptocurrencies in the region, failed to resolve the government's position on crypto, hackers from unknown sources managed to take control of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's account, which has over 73.4 billion followers, and declared Bitcoin to be legal tender. While the attack occurred at 12 a.m. in India, Twitter user Priya was among the numerous crypto aficionados who noticed the opportune tweet, which read, "Bitcoin has been declared legal currency in India. The government has purchased 500 BTC and is giving them to all country inhabitants. Today is the day of the future." A link was also included in the message urging naive customers to sign up and collect their BTC share. However, this was Modi's second Twitter account to be hacked and exploited for cryptocurrency frauds. The illegal tweet was removed shortly after the attack, and the Prime Minister's official account verified the incident. So another bug spotted not in my house in Gelato's contract. So PeckShield Inc. noticed a bug in GUniRouter02, more specifically rebalance and add liquidity, which can be exploited to transfer funds from unknown users who have previously approved GUniRouter02 for spending. Let's have a look at the current scenario, with headline being: The morning Gelato was notified about a bug by Samsung, Gelato immediately tweeted about it and started working on the same. Before that, PeckShield Inc. noticed a bug in GUnit Router 02, more specifically rebalance and add liquidity, which can be exploited to transfer funds from unknowing users who have previously approved GUnit Router 02 for spending. The root cause, according to PeckShield Inc., is rebalance and add liquidity. Gelato tweeted that we were alerted about a critical vulnerability in a GUnit Router contract on Sorbet Finance. This vulnerability only affects users which interacted with the Sorbet UI. No funds were lost. If you entered any positions on Sorbet, please take this action now. Do not send any other transactions before completing this step or funds will be at risk. They also redirected their customers to Sorbet website and followed their simple step-by-step guide and revoke all approvals you gave to the vulnerable contract. Gelato even tweeted that after being alerted about the bug by Samsung, we've been working with Roaming Rahi to conduct a successful white hat recovery to move all potentially vulnerable funds into a secure escrow contract from which users will have access to recover them soon. Everyone here at Gelato appreciates your understanding while we are working on enabling users whose funds we needed to secure to reclaim them on Sorbet within the next hour's lock. We'll release an official statement in the coming days. Moreover, Gelato has asked the community to verify that they have successfully revoked all the transactions from Etherscan. So winding up with our final segment for today, the top crossing meme coin which is encountered today is quite an original name, 2030 Floki. Rumors are there that it is AI based. Let's have a look at it and find out more about its growth. Today's live 2030 Floki price is $7.72 E9 USD with $273,669 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our 2030 Floki to USD pricing is updated in real time. In the last 24 hours, 2030 Floki has gained 1,020% of its value. With a live market cap available, the current coin market cap ranking is 3646. A circulating quantity of 1,000 trillion 2030 Floki coins is available with a maximum supply of 1,000 trillion 2030 Floki coins. Damn these numbers, man. BSC's 2030 Floki coin is a clever AI rebase and incentive token. The token's artificial intelligence performs a series of calculations, determines the most fair rise, and passively rewards holders with Doge. The supply of a project with a rebase token is flexible and will change automatically on a regular basis. Because of the increased purchasing pressure, smart rebases make tokens more marketable and profitable. 2030 Floki combines meme hype with actual utilities to offer holders with passive income in the form of Doge awards. Many digital markets, platforms, and routes for commerce are required in the future, and Floki intends to be at the forefront of this. 2030 Floki intends to continue operating until 2030 and beyond, with the goal of improving the functionality of its code and expanding its community. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.